Swarupaya Hare Krishna Prachayate Namo Shivaya Swarupaya Mohana
So we'll read again the teachings of Srila Rupa Goswami. It is about the nectar of instruction. So we must have clarity of what we're doing and our situation. Don't ever think that it's just for them, it's not for me. I have my own life, I have my own goals. It's not important to me, okay? But in the truest sense, in the absolute sense, it's for everybody. So when we speak of devotion, we're speaking about the goal of life. So the reason everybody's suffering because of their meditation and where they put their focus, their devotion, their activities, and their goals in life. So if a person is in a materialistic consciousness, he's not really interested in solving the problems of life. He doesn't want to do the will of God. So it's not important to him to listen, to control his mind. It's very hard because it's our conditioning sa mundo na to. Before coming to Madana Mohana Academy, even the teachers, all of you, your focus is not about what supposedly your faith, what religion is. It's about what you want to do. Okay? But because we are not in clarity of what we should be doing, we're not interested. Why is that? Because we have become driven, enslaved, covered, and our focus now is we become enslaved by a force greater than us. And that is the material disease that all of us, we are all experiencing it. Identification with the body and identification with the source of suffering. Very simple, di ba? So ngayon ang question, what is devotion? Devotional service. So before coming, bago kayo nagpunta rito sa Madana Mohana Academy, you're all very self-centered. Okay? Even now. Kasi that's your conditioning. Okay? But you begin to appreciate and see, oh, prior to coming here, I have no solution to the problems I face because everybody is gliding towards that direction, going into the abyss. Alam niyo yung abyss? Malalim na bangin. Everybody is going there in the wrong direction. Driven by, it's not what they want. It's not what you want. You're being driven by a force. And because it's a misdirection of what is inherent in us, yung hinahanap nating kaligayahan, security, happiness, we're directing it upon this temporary world. And this temporary world is the cause of suffering. Okay? We become conditioned. Okay? The reason kaya ko i-discuss to, because somewhere along the line, many of you will be leaving Madana, you'll go to your place and everything, no? At least you must have clarity of your situation, of our situation. Okay? So when we speak of devotional service, we're speaking about you, your life. Ikaw. Okay? Yung buhay mo. Okay? Kaligayahan mo. Okay? So we have discussed already that through God's mercy, we come in contact with His representative because that's His instruction. And what is that all about? To do God's will. Okay. He gives us a process so we can redirect our long lost direction to focus our life into doing His will, to be in harmony with Him. Okay? We don't have taste for that. Why? Because our taste is different. What we want is different from what He wants. So, we're given this spiritual understanding. It's not it's not para bang maniwala kayo o hindi, it's irrelevant. Okay? Either you believe it or not, you're suffering. You'll experience in birth, death, disease, and knowledge. And if you continue your life direct in that direction of trying to find happiness in matter, then definitely it's a futile attempt. It's a dead end. You'll fail. Is it clear to you? Is it clear sa inyo? Okay? If you're stupid, you're a fool, you go for it. Okay? So now we're given this guidance. If we don't take this, we will be having a hard time in that right direction to be able to focus our love and devotion. And Krishna is guiding us. Okay? Kaya He gives us instruction. And what is that instruction all about? It is association with Him. Because the teachings ng spiritual master, saka na instructing spiritual master, is an association with the will of God to protect us. Okay? Kahapon, binasa natin yung subject matter ng eating more than necessary or correcting more pants than required. So, ibig sabihin nun, makukuha yung time mo sa pagkamal-kamal, pagkam-kam-kam-kam ng mga bagay-bagay na iiwan mo rin. Kakain ka ng kakain, hanggang hinahanap mo yung kapunuan sa puso mo, sa pagpuno sa tiyan mo, hindi ka nabubusog ka actually. Kain ka ng kain, kaya nangyayari, yung energy na kinakain mo, yung katawan mo palaki ng palaki ng palaki. Diba? Lumalaki yung tiyan mo, hindi mo na makita yung paa mo. Hindi ka na makalakad. May sakit ka na sa puso. Pag binuksan, nagkaroon ka ng heart surgery, pag binuksan, yung puso mo, nakabalot ng taba. Okay? Kaya hindi ka makahinga. Okay. Kaya lalagyan, anong gagawin ng doktor sa'yo? Hindi heart transplant. Kundi lalagyan ka ng stem, bypass. Ibig sabihin, yung butas na kung saan ka humihinga, lalagyan nila ng tube. Tubo ba? 1 million lang naman. Pero kung wala kang 1 million, tigbak ka. Okay? Tindihan niya? One's devotional service is spoiled when he becomes too entangled in following the 6 activities. Kaya, we should be very aware because our situation, we're in this predicament. Number 1, we're not in control. We're not in control of time. And the opportunity is there. Like you're given this guidance to cross the jungle, to be able to get out of this miserable world, to get out of this desert world where you can find happiness, fulfillment. It's under the protection of God. But you have to face the reality that you have a mind that is contaminated. A mind, an intelligence that is contaminated through conditioning. Okay? Papakita ko sa inyo maigi mamaya. Okay? Yung pag-uusapan naman natin is over-endeavoring for mundane things which are very difficult to obtain. Over-endeavoring, ibig sabihin nun, talagang magsumikap ka ba? Mag-over-endeavor ka. Yung gabi, ginagawa mong araw para magkaroon ka lang ng yaman. Bakit kailangan mo ng yaman? Para maging masaya ka. Magkaroon ka ng security. Hanggang nakalimutan mo na yung health mo, nakalimutan mo na lahat. At nagkasakit ka, sa ospital ka, at pwede ka umalis. Over-endeavoring for mundane, over-endeavoring for material things. Okay? Akala mo yun yung security. At nakukuha yung time mo. Tapos yung isa, talking unnecessarily about mundane subject matter. Ibig sabihin nun, you talk about this world, about this dead world. Kasi yun ang conditioning natin eh. So makikita nyo, dahil sa over-endeavoring natin sa buhay, dahil sa conditioning natin, nagkaroon tayo ng consciousness. Ano yung consciousness natin? Naging hedonist, naging narcissistic. Ibig sabihin nun, we live for our own selves, to enjoy, to be happy. Okay? You don't care about anybody else. But in a true sense, it's not you who is driving this machine in that direction. There's a force greater than you. Si Maya. Okay? Kaya when you come in contact with the process, Krishna comes. Madana Mohana, this temple, it's Krishna coming down. The holy names, the teachings of Parampara. Meaning, He comes to our temple, our kingdom, our life, our heart. Okay? So the process we follow is to purify our heart. Meaning, kung may bisita kayo, may bisita kayo na, ganito na lang halimbawa, yung isa sa inyo, mag-aasawa, okay? Mag-aasawa. Halimbawa, nasa katawan kayong babae, tapos bibisita yung mapapangasawa mo, tapos yung kaaya-aya, so na-arrange yung marriage. So ngayon, darating yung mga magulang. Darating yung mga padrino, lahat sila darating, okay? So anong gagawin nyo? Ipiprepare nyo yung place, di ba? Ipiprepare nyo, ayusin nyo, okay? Ayusin nyo, at baka titira yata sila ng ilang araw dito sa atin. Ayusin natin yung mga higaan nila, tulugan nila. Kasi you're welcoming them, okay? You're welcoming them by sharing to them what is wholesome. Magandang tulugan, yung mga plato nyo na ilang taon na binili ng nanay mo na sa aparador, ilabas. Mga kutsara, kubyertos, okay? Na hindi nyo ginagamit. Dahil plastic lamang ginagamit natin. Ilabas natin yung mga corningware dyan, na mga plato, para pagdating nila, to please them, okay? To have a relationship with them, okay? So it's like that also in spiritual life. You are inviting Krishna to enter your world. He's there, but hindi natin nakikita because the Lord is within your heart. Katabi mo siya. But the holy name comes. The spiritual master comes. Okay? Through his teaching, sa tinuturo sa atin. Pero how will we welcome them? Okay? Kung sarado yung pinto ng kaharian nyo. At iba yung pinapapasok nyo. Talking unnecessarily. Dahil sa conditioning natin, ang kinakanta natin, puro yung mga pigati, puro about this dead world, the suffering of this world. Kasi ang idol natin, yung kumanta ng The Greatest Love of All, patay na. Adik, lasinggera, namatay. Pero yun ang kinakanta natin parati. Okay? Yun ang naging focus natin. Hindi natin nakita na, dapat pala i-prepare ko yung may guest pala akong darating. Kaya nang lagay kayo sa situation out of God's mercy, nandito kayo ngayon. So, to prepare, so you can receive Krishna every day. Okay? The reason you chant is to invite Krishna to embrace you. Kasi ayaw man yung embrace, kasi sa conditioning dito, kasi anong lumalabas sa bibig natin, naririnig natin. Kinakanta nyo yung mga kanta ng hayop. Aw, 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 koka, koka, koka. Okay? Yun na naririnig nyo. Dahil sa conditioning. Tignan nyo maigi yung setup, no? Over-endeavoring. Halimbawa, nandito kayo ngayon. Pasok kayo sa school. Ilagay nyo mayroong face-to-face, okay? Kung wala kang cellphone mo 3001 lang, yung dati pa. Okay? Analog ba yun? Matrix pa yung ano? Ngayon, pag papasok ka sa school, nandyan yung mga bata na yung parents sila nagtatrabaho, nagkagod sa labas. So, ang pinaka-medium ng pagbigay sa kanila ng pag-ibig is to give them something. Bilang sila ng mga tab, magagandang cellphone, okay? Ikaw, papasok ka doon, wala akong cellphone. Ang cellphone na ako pag mag-text ko, tago yun, okay? Wala pag load. Mga classmate na ako, pag makita na ako, magbaklay, tanan man nakaana. Pakita, pag mugawas ang isang, alam niyo, pag labas ng isa, lahat labas ng cellphone. Okay? Luwi kayo kuma. Okay? Di ka magulan na, baligyan nato ang baboy. Okay? Mangutang to sa turko. Para nakaka-cellphone. Gipalitan ka sa cellphone sa mama mo. Paglabas, ang problema, mawala mang kulod. Magdula lang ko games. Sila na sila mga upload, na sila tanan, kay tungod sa na-load. Di na problema. Naadi ang card, naadi ang turko. So, sige, sulti sa ako, Nay, gusto ka kwarta? O sige, mangutang ta. Okay? May load ka na. So yun ano mo. Paglabas ng isa ng cellphone, lahat kayo nagsa-cellphone. Okay? Yun ang material life. At hindi lang yun. Yung person na nagbibigay ng happy, na gusto niyang alagaan yung anak niya, bigay lahat. Nagkaroon na siya ng standard of living. Mataas na yung enjoyment niya. Okay? Hindi na dati yung standard nila, so kailangan may upkeep doon Alam mo? Kung dati naglalakad ka lang, wala kang gastos. Bumili ka ng kotse, kailangan magtrabaho ka. Kailangan may panggasolina ka para makapunta sa trabaho. Okay? Kagod ka, di ba? So ganon. The more you get attached to this material world, to get something, over-endeavoring, your life becomes complex. But that doesn't mean na you have so many material things, your life is complex. With yung understanding, not everything belongs to Krishna. And with this guidance that you can operate to Krishna, it becomes a medium to relate to Krishna, to offer back yung kanya. To make friends with Him. Hindi mo na nakawin, okay? So ngayon, dito tayo sa place na to. You come here, araw-araw ganito yung ginagawa, okay? Para bang halimbawa, you come here because of your conditioning dati. So pag nandito kayo, syempre talagang best foot forward, okay? Best foot forward. Ibig sabihin, pagpunta nyo rito, nakadamit kayo, di ba? Hindi pupunta kayo dito na nakabrief lang kayo. Di ba? Kaya ba nyo gawin yun? Siyempre, best foot forward. Yung best, presentation, okay? So ngayon, halimbawa, kumakain dito yung mga tao, kumakain kayo. Halimbawa, kumakain tayo rito, kumakain tayo. Papapasukin ba nyo yung baboy? Okay? O kaya kumakain tayo rito, tapos may isang tao, nagcha-chant. Okay, nagcha-chant. Seemingly, panglabas, he's a devotee, okay? Halimbawa, nandito tayo, kumakain tayo. Sabay may tumindig dyan. Kalibangon ko! Mulibang sa atubang na to. Mag-unsa mo. Okay ra? Di ba? Tapos anong feeling ng mga nasa paligid? Luoy kayo siya, Wa siya gipa. Ba't news? Kalibangon siya sa atubang na to. Luoy kayo, Kung Diyos nun mo, nga nung di mo siya palibangon. Musakit ang yun yan tiyan. Okay? Will you do that? No, hindi ba? O kaya you invite someone sa bahay nyo, okay? You invite someone. Like I invite someone, okay? Tapos, seemingly sa labas, nag-chant, okay? Then, panglabas dito, okay siya. Tapos biglang makita mo mamaya, she's molesting someone of brahmacharis here, brahmacharini. Okay? Will you allow it? Di ba? O kaya kayo, imolest kayo ng pedophile. Will I allow it? No. Di ba? Pumunta rito, nasa siya? Na dito, gisuwayan rape ng estudyante na to. Pasagdi lang na siya. Tindihan nyo? You come in an environment wherein the process is purification. To invite Krishna to come, then you must be following regulation. Intindihan nyo? Kasi hindi ka pwede. You cannot enter that world. Kasi ang world na yon is pure devotional service. Love for God. Okay? Nakita nyo yung mga tao nagiinuman? Di ba? Nakita mo yun sa labas. Condition na talaga sila mag-inuman na araw-araw, nagtotong eats, okay? Nakita nyo yan? Sa inyo, may ganun man din. Sabay mamaya, yung isa musuka ba? Diyan sa tabi lang. Yung isa mutindog, mungi sa tabi. Okay lang sila. Okay? Hindi na pwede din. Okay? Kung gusto ng person magpakababoy, doon siya sa tangkal. Okay? Because we have a program here where we are preparing the kingdom we have in an environment wherein the satellite of God, the teachings of God, association with God, to this instruction, to be able to go back to Him, then it requires sincerity. It is require effort, a relationship. Okay? Tindihan nyo? Is it clear sa inyo? So don't ever think na you're gonna go there and try to make your life na para bang, I just do what I wanna do. Hindi ganun ang spiritual life. Kaya maraming nagtitake ng path na to, hindi nasasucceed if you don't follow the instruction. Okay? Halimbawa, pakita ko sa inyo, very clear ha. You come to this place, okay? Nakita mo yung mga tao rito, okay? Nakita nyo ha? So ginagawa nyo yun to make friends with the people here, okay? But in your mind, you want something, okay? You want something kung anong gusto mo. Okay? But because you're there, because you're trying to orchestrate. Alam niyo, orchestrate? You're trying to lay on a track to be able to make friendship with the devotees of God. Okay? Now, that person tells you, hindi okay yan. You're trying to manipulate us. Okay? You're trying to manipulate us. You're trying to make believe you're a devotee. You're honest, you're sincere, but your action does not correspond or in parallel or in harmony with what you should be doing. Okay? Puro lang games. Okay? Pagsabihan ka, hindi mo nakuha yung gusto mo dahil fruitive worker man tayo lahat. Alam niyo yung fruitive worker? Lahat ng ginagawa niyo, gusto niyo matikman yung prutas. Okay? Now, when you come in the process, sa process na to, service as the end itself. So you play this game, conditioning, mag-appear ka na devotee, tulong-tulong ka, pero hindi mo nakuha yung gusto mo. Okay? So ngayon, frustrated ka. So ibig sabihin nun, hinto ka, wala nang continuity. Yung devotee, hindi ganon. Either he gets something or he does not get something, he continues. Why? Because he's connected with his relationship with God, with Krishna. Krishna embraces him. Okay? And how will it happen? By following yung mga turo na para hindi ma-defocus yung mind natin, yung buhay natin. Okay? Talking unnecessarily. Okay? Ano yung talking unnecessarily? Wala kang ginagawa. Kumisa nga, hindi na. Kagaya ng mga bata, psst, hey. Don't play with your wound. Trying to squeeze the pus. Listen, okay? Kumisan, mga naglalakad nga, nagsasalita na eh. Walang kausap ha. Kinakausap na siya ng mind niya, nagsasalita, kinakausap na rin yung mind. Pero hindi niya napapansin yun. Nakita yung mga bata, pero may mga matatanda na rin yung katawan ganun. Pag you're out of control already. You're driven by lust and anger. Nagsasalita ka na mag-isa. Itong mundo na to is a jailhouse, okay? Pero may jail din dito para sa mga taong ganon, di ba? Ano yun? Mental hospital. Okay? So, punta ka sa mental hospital. Lahat sila, nag-identify na sa body, pero iniisip nila, sila si Superman, sila si Batman, okay? Sila yung mga Koreano. Di ba? It's insanity. Because you're not the label. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ka nagme-make ng advancement. At hindi lang yun. When you transcend this consciousness, operative consciousness, you become purified because you're connected with Krishna. You're satisfied within. Ano yung pinaka-problema natin lahat tayo dito? Bukti-mukti. Alam yung bukti-mukti? Enjoyment. Mag-enjoy ka. Tapos kita mo, dagkan na kayo kung sala. Hila ka. Okay? Magbutan ako. Chan ka, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna. Tapos maayo na imong paminawa. Okay na ako Makakirtan na ako diri. Ako na mag-lead sa kirtan. Kaysa una, sige ko inom sigurilyo. Karon, gusto ko mag-chant para ma-purify. Dili ako ang mga tao. Mga maminaw sa akong tingog. Okay? Kanta ka. Okay? Bukti, enjoyment, miserable ka, gusto mo naman ma-purify. Okay? Purified na, balik ka uli. Bukti, mukti, bukti, mukti, bukti, mukti. Kaya true is a saying that a dog returns to its vomit. Ang aso, kakain, susuka, babalik. Kakainin yung suka niya. Why? Because of lust. Matinding pagnanasa, a misdirection of our focus, our life, directing it upon trying to control the material world. That is the thesis we have. But it can be cut off, this knot of misery, when we are in harmony with God's embrace. Follow the instruction of the spiritual master, the instructing spiritual master, the science. Are we really interested in listening and understanding our relationship with God? Are we interested in knowing who God is? How sweet He is? How caring He is? We're not interested when we are driven by a force. Ano yung force na nagdadrive sa atin? Okay? Si Maya. Saan? Bakit? We identify with the source of suffering at hinahanap natin yung happiness through the senses. And because we have become so hard, hindi na natin nakikita yung katotohanan. Kaya pag may nagpunta rito, nga naman dong, nag-chant man, dibuti na. Di mo alam, kagagaling lang ba yan sa presuhan ng rape, nagnakaw. Okay? Nag-serve ng sintensya. Pagdating dito, nag-chant, okay? Mamaya kakati na yun, magnanakaw na yun, mga abuso na, okay? Hindi na makontrol ang anger niya, okay? Pag sinabi yung undang na pa sigarilyo, undang na inom. Hindi na maayuwi mo. Usama! Ano mong boot ka sa ako? Okay? Okay. Di may nag-boot sa imo, pero dili pwede ang baboy diri. Okay? Pero yung kapwa baboy, sasabihin niya, bakit yung pinapagalitan yung baboy? Bakit yung binababoy ang baboy? Okay? Mga ka-Diyos man kayo. Di ba? Wow, kaloy. Okay? Intindihan niya? So you can check yourself, okay? Number one, if you are a fruitive worker, where your mind is being directed, you see your situation, you ask yourself honestly, what do you really have? You have nothing. You come here with nothing, you're gonna live with nothing. All your attachment in this world will be the cause of your suffering. Until and unless you're in harmony with what is transcendental. And what is transcendental? It's about life. You, transcendental to this body. You're not the mind, you're not the body, you're not the intelligence. And the Krishna comes, help us. Okay? Pero hindi tayo interesado. So doon natin makikita if we're making progress. So spiritual life is not an external game. Okay? It is a consciousness wherein my will is the will of God. Whatever I want to do should be His will. Okay? Alisod kayo na. Dagang pa pundo na ako sigarilyo sa balaybay. Okay? Napabaya mga bino dito, okay? So kayo. Okay. Is the price to control your senses, to listen, to apply it in your life. Is it a very high price to go back to Krishna? Para lang kung yun ang mundo nyo. Sige, nyo buhian. Okay? Di nyo buhian. Okay? Pero, definitely, darating ang panahon, muhawa mo ang yun mo. Mabuhian nyo na tanan. Okay? Klaro sa inyo kay Shep? Intindihan niya? So, spiritual life is very serious. It's not here na we chant with you, we talk to you. No. Anytime pa. No? You're responsible for your action. Okay? Hindi pwedeng nandito ka, akala mo, okay, I'll just bid my time. Alam yung bidding? Alam yung bid or my time? It is a means. Pagkadugay, iyahay na ko. Himuon na ako, unsay gusto na ako. Okay? Intindihan niya? Yung devotee, hindi ganun. One-pointed, very fixed. Because he follows the instruction of the spiritual master of Krishna. Ano yung instruction na yun? It is about his focus, his life, and he's being guided by this. Once devotional service is spoiled when he becomes too entangled in the following 6 activities. Kung mayroon tayong spiritual life. Kung meron man, covered lang. Okay? Now you're given this opportunity to have this devotional connection with God. But it's not really fixed. We're neophyte devotees, kanista adhikari. Our faith is pliable. We are not very fixed. Cannot control the mind. We cannot control the senses. But we're given the opportunity to be able to come to that point, to become the person directing our life. Kasi ngayon, prior to coming here, your life is not being directed by Krishna. Under Krishna, but Krishna's material energy, Maya. Okay? You want to become free from this hellhole? Okay? Then, open your eyes. How do you open your eyes? Hindi, buksan yung mata nyo ganon. With wisdom. Kung ano yung totoo. Okay? Kung naintindihan nyo yung true identity nyo, na you're a different energy from mother, then definitely, ang conclusion nyo, I will never be satisfied and protected by taking shelter of this material world because it's the source of suffering. Pero bakit? Sige, katul kayo. Bakit? Na-condition kasi tayo. Na-condition na ba tayo? Ano yung condition? Abe nato, kanang false ego. Abe nato, kita na na. Kita na na. Okay? Sige, mamaminaw kay Vice Ganda. Sige, mamaminaw sa mga Koreano. Kaya mo gawa sa baba, parang ano ba, computer. Alam mo? Yung input, garbage in, unsay mo gawas? Short circuitin yung computer. Okay? Dapat garbage out. Okay? I-reformat nyo. How do you reformat? By the purificatory process of the holy names, the instruction of the spiritual master. So we can enter that world. So we can invite Krishna to enter our world. How can you have a relationship with Krishna in purity when you steal Krishna's property? Okay? Para bang, oh, Krishna's here. Gakus ka. Kawat dayon. Okay? Kaya nga, very important to follow the instruction of the instructing spiritual master. And it is about the wisdom who owns everything. Karamihan sa atin dito, sabi na, oh, holy na ko. Ni-renounce ko yung dati kong buhay, yung yaman ko. I gave it up. Alam mo yung gave it up? Ano yung ibig sabihin ng I gave it up? Ha? Gibuhay na ako tanan ng akong mga bandi. Pero ang totoo, wala ka namang gibuhan. You don't own anything. You are not the owner of anything. So there's nothing you can renounce. But the science we're following, is that we are given this opportunity to use this material energy, this body, to be able to connect ourselves in meditation to achieve the goal of life, to be happy. Pero ang mind very strong man, okay? Nakakita na kayo ng aso? Ng aso. Okay? Kung ang aso, puro pulgas, yung aso ba nakaupo lang nakikinig sa inyo? Lalapitan ba niyo yung aso? Sabi na, yung cute ng aso. Di ba? Yung gagawin yun, di ba? Association. Makipag-associate ba kayo sa aso puro may pulgas? At makita niyo siya, iniisip ba niya kayo? Anong ginagawa ng aso? Kamot ng kamot ng kamot, di ba? Sabi mo, papi, come here. Sabi niya, sa ka? Katul ka ayaw niya, kung lawas. Di ba? Come here. Paliguan kita, lagyan kita ng pangalis ng pulgas. Dili, oy. Lami kayo ni katulwa kayo. Nagdugo-dugo na ngayon akong kamuton. Okay? So, ang point ko rito is that we must be with wisdom. We must know how to relate to God. We must appreciate in gratefulness how we will receive God's mercy. It's like you're inviting a guest, okay? In your kingdom, okay? Pero kung hindi ganun yung attitude nyo, mahirap. So the best attitude is the third prayer of Lord Chaitanya. Yun ang guidance. One can chant the holy names of the Lord in a humble state of mind, feeling himself lower than the straw in the street, more tolerant than the tree, and devoid of all sense of false prestige, and ready to offer all respects to others. Okay? Kaya yung connected to sa lahat ng ginagawa. Halimbawa, over-endeavoring for so many material things which are very hard to obtain. Kung ganun yung consciousness nyo, pag panganak nyo rito kayo yung center, so you push your mom, your parents, to get what you want. So they over-endeavor to please you. Are you helping them? Okay? Hindi nyo? But you think you're entitled. Alam niyo entitled? Ano yung entitled sa Bisaya? Okay? Para bang kailangan nyo akong pagsilbihan. Hatagan nyo akong pagtagad. Okay? Entitled kayo. Kaya tawag kayo sa nanay nyo, ma, kailangan ko nito, kailangan ko yan. Dahil wala ta kwarta. Kung di mo musunod, di na ako musunod sa inyo, bahala mo diya. Okay? Kita niyo yung attitude? Okay? So yung nanay naman nyo, magkukumahog. Anak, huwag kang magpakasala. Ako na, mangutang ko sa turko, palitan na ka cellphone. Okay? This one. So when you're in that consciousness, you're separated from Krishna. So yung devotee, look at Prahlad. Prahlad Maharaj, in the face of adversity. Ano yung adversity? Problems, kahirapan, talagang imposible na. Papatayin siya eh. Okay? Nasa environment siya ng mga demon. Okay? Pero he's not touched. Why? Because he's in a world of meditation upon what is transcendental beyond this material energy. It is about a connection with this devotion, with this love to the Supreme Person. So he's protected. Insulated siya. That's why Haridas Thakur, the prostitute, came to put him down. Okay? Si Maya nagpunta doon. Kaya lang, it's being presented in a very nice way ba? Okay? Kasi very simple lang naman yung gusto ng prostitute. Very simple lang naman din yung gusto ng mga tao na demon para ibaksak siya. Okay? Anong gusto nila? To degrade him. Okay? Pero what happened? Because he is not of this world. He's the Namacharya, the spiritual master of the holy names. Krishna is inseparable from him. So, because like when metal comes in contact with fire, it becomes fire. Okay? So what she felt is that, why am I doing this? Okay? So when you come to the point, when you're chanting, you're given this opportunity, then you begin to ask yourself, where am I heading? What am I doing with my life? Who is my master? What do I want? Then, if you want to have this relationship, then you must follow the regulation. Because it will focus your life, your intelligence, your whole being, and be guided to do the will of God. At ito yung topic na diniscuss natin. Once devotional service is spoiled, when he becomes too entangled in the following 6 activities. Entangle ba? Alam yung entangle? Murag iputus ka ba? Intindihan nyo? Entangle ba? Okay? Gigapos ka ba? Okay? Eating more than unnecessarily. Okay? Yung isa naman, collecting more funds unnecessarily. Okay? Kailangan ba mo 1,000 sapatos? 5 ka cellphone. Diba? So para makuha mo yun, trabaho ka. Over-endeavoring for unnecessary things. And it will take your mind away from the focus you're doing. The chanting of the holy names. Okay? Over-endeavoring for mundane things that are very difficult to obtain. Alam nyo, maraming mga bata rito dahil nagkaroon sila ng idea na rockstar. Okay? Mag-play sila ng music. Okay? Inisip nila, sila na yung pinakamagaling na musician. Lahat ng mga lead guitarist, inisip nila, gusto nila maging number 1. So tanungin natin ngayon, nasaan yung number 1 lead guitarist? Nasaan? Deadpool na. Okay? Hindi nyo kilala si ano? Sino yun? Yung gitarista na hindi si Jeff Beck. Jeff Beck, magaling man din siya, pero yung pinakamagaling, Jimi Hendrix, okay? Siya yung number 1 dati. Nakakagitara siya, hindi kamay. Ngipin. Wow, heavy. Okay? Kabesa. Ano yung kabesa? Ulo ba? Dako ang ulo. Okay? Saan na siya? Patay. Na overdose sa drugs. Saan yung mga dating sikat na lead singer? Okay? Patay na rin. Di ba? Dati sikat masyado di ba, nung mga 5 years ago, okay? Sikat masyado si Bieber, di ba? Talaga yung mga bata, mga girls dito, laging kinakanta nila, okay? Kanta ni, sino yung Bieber na yun? Justin, okay? Tapos yung mga parents din, pangalan ng anak nila, Justin. Justin Peter, okay? Meron pa rito yung focus nila doon, okay? Ngayon, nasaan siya? Okay? Addict. So, yun ang idol nila. Naging number 1 ka, kung gusto mo naging sikat, nasaan na yung mga sikat? Pwede ngayon, sikat ka sa Bombo Radio. Bukas, hindi na. So, if you over-endeavor to become number 1, mahirap. Tingnan yung mga politician, di ba? Gusto nila maging presidente. Di ba? Punta sila rito, pero lisod man, over-endeavor sila. Di ba? Punta siya rito, sabi niya, I was born in Kibawe. At tago sa kalibutan na ng mga taga-baryo, okay? Pero kung mag-over-endeavor ka para makuha yung posisyon na yon, nasa na si Erap? Nasa na si Gloria? Nasa na si FBR? Nasa na si Marcos? Okay? You're not number 1. Yun yung consciousness na dapat maintindihan na we are eternally the loving servant of God. So anyway, we'll stop there. Basahin ko lang uli yun. Talking unnecessarily. Why you should not talk unnecessarily? It diverts your focus and meditation. Why are you talking unnecessarily? Because you're driven by your mind, by the mode of passion. Kaya lumalabas sa bibig mo, hindi mo na nakikita, hindi mo na naririnig. Nagsasalita ka na lang. May mga taong nagsasalita, kausap yung poste. Habang naglalakad, nagsasalita. Lalo na kung galit. Yawa. Mga tao diya. Okay? Tindihan niya? You talk unnecessarily. You follow the dictates of passion, yung mind, yung lust, si Maya. Then yun ang maririnig mo. Garbage out, garbage in. Ikaw may makarinig. So binigyan ka ng process, that purificatory process, Krishna descending. The holy names, Krishna, it's invested with all transcendental potency. Transcendental, potency. It has the power to purify you because it's not different from Krishna. We are allowed to go to the kingdom of God when we chant the holy names. Pero sabi nyo, allow, sige na lang chant. Ano, dilita mo, inom na lang. Atong mag-istoryanta ka ng mga kinabuhi sa mga namatay diri sa kalibutan. Mga pag-ibig na sawi. Di ba? Okay. Yun ang pinag-uusapan, di ba? Uy, yung bagong ano ngayon, bago yung boyfriend niya. Sabi, sino may mga sa mga telenovela dyan na ano? Ay, makakaroon daw ng wedding, you know? Nagbigay si star number 1 sa mga teenager heartthrob. Alam mo yung heartthrob? Alam yung heartthrob? Pag makita lang nyo yung panahon ba dati ng, nakita nyo si ano dati? Yung panahon namin dati merong star doon, yung tawag nila close-up smile. Pag mumiti talagang sparkling yung teeth, na in love man si Sharon Cuneta sa kanya. Sino yan? Si Gabby, okay? Okay? Yun ang pag-usapan natin. Okay? Okay? Yun ang pinag-usapan na lahat. Nagbigay ng wedding ring. Okay? Sa sobrang binili pagyud sa Tiffany, ang halaga daw, Hindi na natin pag-usapan. Kasi di nyo kayang isipin kung gaano kamahal. Yun ang pinag-uusapan doon. May bago na ba siyang girlfriend? May bago na ba siyang boyfriend? Okay? Pumunta na ba siya at sinabi na, will you marry me? Okay? Yung mga pinag-uusapan doon, sikat pa ba siya? Sikat pa ba siya? May asim pa. Okay? Yun ang pinag-uusapan natin. Okay? Intindihan niya? Is it clear sa iyo? Govinda Dasi? Okay sa iyo? Naintindihan mo? So, isang rule of the thumb when you relate to Krishna, you should not be duplistic. You don't need to put a show. Alam mo yung show? Pakita mo holy ka. Holy ka da. Hindi ka nagmumura. Okay? Hindi ka makabasag ng baso. You don't need to put that. He loves you, okay? What you should do, follow the instruction. He tells you, walk straight, okay? Chant the holy names. All you got to do that, okay? Follow instruction. Okay? Because when you follow the instruction, at the time, who's taking care of you? Ang hirap ay i-discipline ng senses. Alam yung senses? Lisip, baba, dunggan, mata, okay? Na-condition ba tayo, akala natin kalipay ni tanan. Pero inopen man yung eyes natin, this is a dead world. You can never be happy. Pero ipaglaban mo pa rin natin. Kanta nyo, ipaglalaban ko ang pag-ibig ko sa mundo. Okay? Hindi ko mo surrender. Never give up. So kailangan magpakita ka ng show. Okay? Devotee. Chanting, habang nandiyan ka, okay? Don't waste your time, okay? We should follow instruction. If you want to succeed, we should follow the instruction of Lord Krishna. If you want to have a relationship, then you must prepare a welcoming environment, and that environment is about devotion, about service, which is inseparable from all of you. Your love should not be misdirected. Kaya yung regulation, the sixth process ng devotional service that will separate us, it means we'll become defocused. Mawala ka sa focus. Sa path. Okay? Parang pinabili ka lang ng nanay mo ng suka. Ano? Pinabili ka. Dong, palit suka dito og toyo. Ay, lapit na ni maluto ba? Kini nga itong humba diri ba? Okay? Dali paglakad mo, naglakad ka, kita mo, meron man doon tao na, agi diri dong, kanang kwarta, piso-piso lang, naa diri halas, kanang may alas, ginaganong lalo, patad. Di mo, mama, patad ka. Suko na yung mama ba, pag tanaw na, mama ni mo na bunal, gipapalit lang ka. Na-divert ka ba? So karon, pag uli mo, di ka makakaon, kaya wa pa manaluto. Ha? Spiritual life is very practical. It's not a mystery. It's about your life, your happiness. Okay? Kasi pwede yung mga tao, nakita niyo yung family reunion? Family reunion? Nakakita na kayo family reunion, di ba? kanang, ano apelido mo pala? Kalimutan ko na eh. Ano apelido mo? Kabalya? Ano? Kabelea? Tabalea? Tabalyeha, okay? Tabalyeha Family Reunion. From Holoto Apari. Okay? Dito natin gagawin sa, okay? Iskibawe. Okay? Tira dyan sa hotel, lahat tira, okay? Lahat nandun, happy-happy, okay? Pero prior to that, kung makikita lang nyo yung anino nila, yung puso nila, nakangiti, yakap-yakap, beso-beso, pero yung anino may hawak na dunggab. Nakangiti, pero umiiyak. Okay? Mukhang buhay, pero nandyan naman yung St. Peter naghihintay. Tindihan niyo? Buang man ni si Sir eh. Anyway, that's all horrible naman sa'yo.
Namusida sulamanan para magsama ngayon Gula Karuna Sultaya Radha Krishna Prastayati Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna Narayana Shri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna Narayana Shri Krishna Chaitanya Radha Krishna Narayana Bhaja Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vatsudeva Gopala Vrinda Bhaja Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vatsudeva Gopala Vrinda Gopala Govinda Gopala Govinda Rama Haribo Krishna Madana Mohan